I work with McFarlane Manufacturing Incorporated, which is a just over 100-year-old company. We started in 1917. We are probably one of the more unique businesses, honestly, in the country. Farm sales, the power equipment sales, the service area. Then we also have our manufacturing area, which manufactures a series of vertical tillage and universal tillage products. And DIS does a good job of, like I said, it's the general ledger for all of it. The challenges of the economic climate that agricultural businesses are in general. It's no secret that farmers are really being squeezed between a rock and a hard place in a lot of ways. I think part of the challenge is to remain flexible enough, have enough capabilities, both in terms of our staffing and the tools that we bring to the table to keep helping them. Like it or not, everyone kind of looks, I think, at things like Amazon and says, well, why doesn't it work like Amazon? Why doesn't it look like Amazon? That's so much easier. And Amazon obviously has tons of money to throw into their interface and make sure that it is as cool and slick and trend-setting as it possibly can be. How do we do that? How do we remain relevant? How do we make it as easy as possible for them to spend that money on the thing that they need without getting frustrated and saying, I'll go to Amazon. I mean, when you think of the old days where the, tons and tons of parts books that you had to, scan through in order to find something that a farmer was looking for, and now to have all that information just dumped onto a computer, and in our case, onto a server that's readily available to multiple parts people at the same time. And then the ability to keep track of the complexity of accounts that there are in any dealership, but obviously in our dealership even greater with the variety of businesses that we have. Well, one that I use a lot, that I like, is how I can get into the help desk by just going into About and quick file a support request. There's a lot of systems where that is harder to do, and I like the way that that's set up because it already strings along information with that support request just on the basis of what you were doing and the customer information that's there. I like where Quantum is going right now. I like the dashboard experience. Whenever I talk to somebody from DIS support, it's always very pleasant, they're very professional, they're very friendly, they're always sure to say, is there anything else I can help you with? And that's part of the culture, I think, of DIS.